Good morning class. I am your SST teacher from Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 3, that is continent and oceans. We have done our continent topic in the previous class. Now today I am going to teach you about our oceans. So, as you know that our earth is made up with two things. The first is the land masses and the another is water bodies. So, we are talking about our water bodies, and the water body is called oceans. So, as we are moving forward, you must know that the water bodies or the oceans is habitat for the all the water animal. Okay, and you will find the lot of fishes in the bottom or on the top also. Okay, so apart from fishes, there are so many water animals like turtle, and in early days there were sea cow also. So now we are going to talk about our oceans. There are 5 oceans: Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Indian Oceans, Southern Oceans and Arctic Oceans. So let's talk about Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest oceans. Understand? So the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It has the deepest place, that is called Mariana Trench. That is called Mariana Trench. We will see it in the Pacific Ocean only. And on the edges of Pacific Ocean, there are lot of volcanoes, active volcanoes, and active volcanoes and erupted volcanoes. So that is the reason we call it ring of fire also. When you will see from the your globe or with some other tools, you will find that it looks like, or if you will see in the video also, it will be looking like the ring of fire. Understood? Now let's move forward towards our Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is in the shape of S. When you will see in the map, you will find that it is, and if you will draw with the pencil, you will find that it is in the shape of S. Okay, it is in between of Europe, South America and Africa, and that is the reason it is busiest ocean also in the term of transportation and business also. Trade. Business means trade. So in the term of business or trade or the transportation, this is the busiest ocean. Understood? Now let's move towards the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. Now it is in the shape of triangle like this. Okay, it is in the shape of triangle like this. So when you will see the Indian Ocean, you will find that it is the India is situated on the top of Indian Ocean. On the triangle, the head of the triangle, you will find that India is situated on the head of triangle. The Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, the main part of the Indian Oceans, and it is bounded by Asia also. And Indian Ocean is the only ocean which is named after any country, and that is our country, that is called India. Understood, class? That is our country which have given the name Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the name after our country only. So it is the proud feel. You should feel proud. Now let's move forward towards the Southern Ocean. when you will see the Southern Ocean, it is situated just above the Antarctica. Okay, so Antarctica is a continent and it is just above the Antarctica continent. So Antarctica, when you will see the Southern Ocean, you will find it in the southern part only. That's the reason we are calling it Southern Ocean also. It remained frozen in the winter and it merged with Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Understood? Now let's move forward towards our Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean. It lies around the North Pole and extends towards the South Pole. Now it is surrounded by the North America, Europe and Asia also. Understood? Now next is, as I told you, that Arctic Ocean is smallest and shallowest. Okay? So now let's conclude our topic, the oceans. Do you understand what is ocean? Ocean is the, when you will study about the oceans deeply, then you will find that this is the wonderful, like you will see the wonderful picture on the net or in the movies also, in the video clip also, and you will find that there are beautiful, so many beautiful animals lies in the oceans. Understand? And also you will find that the ocean is like, as you know, the ocean is very deep. So you will find that there are so many stones, precious stones also you will find. So now what did you learn? You learned about the oceans. There are 5 oceans and these are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic. Okay class, thank you so much.